tired of all them rainy days?
Yeah.
Don't worry, kids. Black rain is on the way.
Yay!
Whenever I'm bored, I read Black Rain.
This is like the coolest thing ever. I've never had anything cooler in my entire life. I want something like this. This is so cool. I want some. More Black Rain. More Black Rain.
Remember, kids, Black Rain is the future! Now for the following program.
I wish I were a bird, 'cause if I were a bird, then I could take wing high above you. You could watch my white wings flap.
Wow, this is so awesome!
Black Rain also consists of thrillage to teens of all ages. It's mind-blowing and full of death.
Darn mutt. Get lost, will ya? I'm trying to die here.
War.
Wait, look, they got tanks. Run away, retreat.
Explosions. And of course, the old survivors.
Oh, it's always good to get some company.
Black Rain is the future.
Well, I couldn't tell you why she felt that way. She felt it every day.